Summer is in and school is out, and teenagers may be finding trouble. Well, there is a new place for them to hang out and be safe. It just opened its doors tonight. The Nightlife Center's mission is to keep youth in the community on the right path. ABC 7's Shannon Cornwell joins us now with more. Shannon?
Josh, when you're walking into the Nightlife Center, it feels like a sports bar, but the only thing they're serving up is clean entertainment. The nonprofit organization wants to let teenagers be teenagers inside their walls, but without all the outside pressures. It was something many Suncoast teenagers complained about. There is nothing to do around here. Reverend Joe Davis says he heard that line too many times, so he decided to change this old sports bar into a safe haven.
This is going to be a place for them, exclusively for them, a place that they can come and be comfortable and happy and know that there's a lot of things to do.
Thursday was the grand opening of the Nightlife Center. Off of South Tamiami Trail in Sarasota, this building is geared to young people. Inside, TVs, pool tables, and a stage. Lots of activities to help kids stay on the right track.
There's a lot of problems in Sarasota with substance abuse among adolescents, and we want to try to tackle that problem head on.
I'd say that about 60% of at least our grade level is at least drinking or smoking.
Riverview High School senior Ben Freed says the nightlife is exactly what the area needs.
It's a positive atmosphere, and it just gives us like a sense of responsibility because we can work here and we take on little responsibilities. Like a few of us have jobs here, and bring in a little bit of money, so it's great.
The center also gives parents peace of mind.
This would be a great place to have a safe place for teenagers to go and just hang out and be teenagers. And it's some place that they can go and be safe and have a lot of fun.
Davis says kids need a place to go if they are in trouble. The old drinking hole is what he now calls the therapy bar.
We're going to have people working behind the bar, teachers, youth pastors, therapists, social workers, who will seek to engage kids. Kids can come here when they know they're in crisis, when they need help, or when they need encouragement, or if they have a friend who needs help and encouragement. They can come up. There's always going to be somebody here to talk to them and encourage them and help them.
And the best part is, it's all free. The Suncoast community has been behind the Nightlife Center. Volunteers fixed up the building, and much of the equipment and supplies are donated by area businesses. And if you would like more information on the Nightlife Center, you can log on to our website, mysuncoast.com, and click on links we mentioned.